working on my boat. My name is Max, and I'm 6, and I behaved well for a whole week. And my mom and daddy bought me a boat with a remote. So
Okay.
today we're checking.
Okay. Woo! Okay. This is cool. Wow. And when it gets warmer and the pond melts, we're going to take it out to the pond. But right now people are ice skating on it. Right, Max? Wow. Max, I think you could help it turn over here. When you turn this, I think it goes like a different way. Makes the boat turn. Now see what it does? You see?
Yeah.
Then if you turn it to the middle, look, if you turn this little thing,
To the middle, then it'll go.
then it'll straight. Wow. So cool.
I'm watching the baby.
She needs a bath. Wow.
The motor goes fast.
So fast. I can't wait. Whoa! This is going to be a great video for YouTube.